Rex Power Magnetics mini power centers combine a primary main breaker, an encapsulated dry-type transformer, and a secondary main breaker type distribution load center into a single enclosure, used where there is a 480 volt or 600 volt distribution system and loads requiring 120 to 40 volt single phase or 208Y 120 volt three phase. Mini power centers offer a cost and space saving solution compared to a traditional installation with separate components wired in the field. The entire assembly is protected with a NEMA 3R indoor-outdoor enclosure built with heavy gauge steel and finished with a baked-on powder coat epoxy finish. The assembly includes a dedicated top section for the transformer and a panel board section underneath for the breaker and load center. All live parts are enclosed for personnel safety, and the padlockable hinged cover for the panel board section ensures that only authorized individuals can access the feeder breakers. The complete core and windings of the transformer are encapsulated in a silica sand and polyester resin mixture with only the leads and taps brought out. This construction makes the transformer impervious to moisture, dust, and contaminants in the air, in addition to providing the maximum bracing and toughness to handle transportation and installation in demanding and harsh environments. This makes for what is essentially a maintenance-free transformer. An appropriately rated primary breaker with 14 kiloamps interrupting capacity is installed in the bottom panel board section to provide primary protection as well as an easy power disconnect. The interrupting rating of the incoming breaker can be upgraded to 18, 25, or 35 kiloamp ratings when necessary. The distribution load center is available with aluminum bus push-on breaker configuration or copper bus bolt-on breaker configuration, and our designs are standardized for Eaton breakers. Alternatively, these mini power centers can be supplied with other load center brands such as Square D or Siemens. Mini power centers are ideal for both temporary power installations as well as permanent installations where space is limited. In addition to saving footprint and space, installation time in the field is also reduced. Electricians only need to install a single piece of equipment, and from there, they can immediately move on to wiring. The only time the transformer compartment should be accessed is for changing primary voltage taps or routine maintenance and inspection. Electrical approval for the site is simplified as the integration of primary, transformer, secondary, and branches are all done within a UL and CSA approved assembly. Mini power centers are available in 3-phase 9 to 45 kVA and single-phase 5 to 30 kVA. They are also fully customizable. Typical customizations include transformer electrostatic shielding, lower transformer temperature rise, NEMA 4 or 4X stainless steel enclosures, factory-installed feeder circuits, custom color finish. Celebrating 50 years of commitment to serving the North American dry-type transformer market, Rex Power Magnetics offers the capability, responsiveness, and quality to meet your transformer needs.